Alright, second video for section 1.3. We don't always have the same information when we're trying to come up with the equation of a line. We're not always going to know what the slope is and what the y-intercept is. In this particular case, we know what the slope is, but the other information that we have is one point that's on that line. And so we need this other equation to help us out in that situation. Alright, the formula is y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, again, m is slope. And that x1, y1 is some coordinate that's on the graph that the line goes through. So we just plug those 3 bits of information in, and we're ready to go. Typically, if they give you that information and they ask you for the equation of the line, we don't leave it in point slope form. We simplify it so that it's in slope intercept form. Or, and I might as well put this down, the other form that they could ask you for is called standard form. And standard form is ax plus by equals c. Alright, so typically you're either going to leave the equation in slope-intercept form or in standard form. And now you know. So let's try an example of this point slope stuff. They give us the fact that a line has a slope of 2 and it goes through the point 1, 3. And we need to express the equation in slope-intercept form. So first we're going to put it in point slope form, and then we're going to simplify it. Alright, so what we're going to do is take the 2 and plug that in for m. We're going to plug 1 in for x1. We're going to plug 3 in for y1. And then it's number crunching. I'm going to distribute that 2, add 3, and there it is. It's in slope-intercept form. That's all there is to it, and that's all there is to this video. Adios.